Hello, parents and guardians. My name is Megan Anderson, and I am an 8th grade science teacher at Jenkins Middle School. One thing I really like about teaching at Jenkins is that often we reflect on the question of, are we doing what's best for kids? And in challenging times or remote times, I really value that we can come back to that essential question. These are your 3 8th grade science teachers. So your student may see all 3 of us during segments for their remote learning. And should you have any questions or concerns, you can also find all of our contact information on the Jenkins homepage. Now, if your student is in 8th grade science this year, they will be learning these units. We are currently in Nature of Science, and we will cover genetics, force and motion, energy, waves, chemistry, weather, astronomy, and health is the last unit, the last week of school. Now, if your student is in pre-AP biology, this year they will cover ecological systems, evolution, cellular systems, and genetics. And your AP Bio student should have also received one of these AP Bio workbooks. All right. Our homework guidelines. All assignments are hopefully getting turned in on that due date, but if they are late, we have a 20% off policy. We also follow just the standard grading policy at Jenkins. Anything in the 90s is an A, 80s is a B, and so forth. One thing to take note of, if a unit ends and we have taken that unit test, late work is no longer accepted as we move forward into the next unit. Students will also be reminded of this. And we highly encourage students and parents to check Q regularly. And of course, this last point here speaks to the absence policy. So every day you are absent, you have 1 day penalty free to make that up. This is a snapshot of one of my Schoology classes. This is probably what your student sees on a daily basis. If you look at the top folder that says links, in that folder you're going to find our live meeting links, my WebEx room, and links for signing up for tutoring. The next folder here says class recordings. That is the folder that has links for any class recording. Say that your student was absent and needs to watch a class, or say that your student perhaps struggled with that class and perhaps rewatching the class would help explain some questions. And then as we move forward into our units, you will see additional units covered on this screen. But right now, our first unit, Scientific Method, when you click into that folder, you will then find content broken down by week. That's an easy way for kids to know, hey, this week I need to be in this folder, and so forth. Also notice that your students will see on their Schoology page a calendar over here. And that has assignments and when they're due and what is currently going on in that class on those Schoology pages. Some tips for success. Please log in early to our virtual live class meetings if you can. Check Q frequently. And email me or any of your science teachers if you have questions or concerns, or we can help with anything. And don't wait for the last minute to do anything, especially with technology that can get stressful. That's what I have for you today. It was nice to remotely meet you. Thank you. And if you need anything, please reach out.